to my presentation. My name is Natalia and today I'm going to talk about the robotics for agriculture and forestry. Before recording this video, I have to learn so much about this thing to become an expert. Well, a tiny expert. The purpose of this video is to concern others about the quantity of technology is used in these areas. They represent the ultimate innovation of one of our society's latest and most advanced application to its most ancient and important industry. Today I'm going to talk about three things. First, about technology in agriculture, then about the technology used in forestry, and for the last, the devices used in livestock domain. I will give some explanation of each item and then some examples. Finally, I will expose the possible improvement that it can be done and a brief conclusion. When we refer to the device used in agriculture, we have to consider the processes of a crop production. They go from seeding to sorting. In all of them, internal transport of people, machines, and produce play a role. To that, we use sensor and computing. With respect to the plant crop, we focus on the in-field or in-farm task. Nowadays, farmers have access to the commercial machine for tilling, sensing, spraying, harvesting, and transplanting. One example of that is the 3-camera robot used for strawberry harvesting. This robot was created in Japan and nowadays has revolutionized the commercial of this fruit. Another example could be the autonomous vehicles and tractors that drive with any help from the garage to the block and transfer tree rows to hours and hours. These devices are similar to the one used in forestry. We also focus in the mobility. Every year we use more drones to create maps with the latest software. That allows the supervisor to cover more ground, to determine the timber volume. This also allows the woodland to gauge how much wood is needed to supply and how many is needed to be cut. An example of the use of the robots in forestry could be the log cutting and transport robot. Summarizing, the mobile robotics are required for these places. In the forest, one of the priorities is to be careful with animals. So, thank you to the maps created, humans have more vision to when and where they have to work. When we talk about animals, we also refer to livestock domain. Farmers, as I said before, has access to a lot of technologies. From newborn market with transponder tag to identify them, to the latest milking device to know which milk is the best. Monitoring and control the animals, feeding and cleaning them. We use the technology for every process. One good example could be a creation of a group of engineers that is a steering robot that works extremely fast. Since the dawn of civilization, agriculture and forestry has been one of the most important economic activities, providing the food, the feed, fiber and fuel for our survival. So it's difficult to determine or to reckon the improvement done. And nowadays, it's known that there are some researchers focusing on the next wave of sensing, mobility and manipulation technology that will increase the agriculture and forestry output and productivity. To conclude, I just want to say that all these robotic advantages have helped us in our level of lives. So this innovation in technology, the mobility in agriculture, the um, the software that creates the best maps in forestry, and the latest GPS in livestock domain make our life easier. Thanks to what, and if you have any question, just have to write below.